Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I am making another expectation versus reality video. You guys, I am so excited to dig into today's balloon garland kit. First things first, this kit has beautiful colors, or at least on the picture that they were advertising that kit with, colors were beautiful. And this kit is double stuffed. As you know, I reviewed a few double stuffed balloon garland kits and not all of them were great quality. So we'll see with this one how it will perform and what's going to be the quality, reviews, description, and everything else in between. Before I let you go, I know you will be asking, and I want to show you these two necklaces that I bought on Amazon. Little key and a little lock. Very pretty, very cute. Love them. I will link them in the description under the video, and without any further ado, let's go. So this is how this kit looks on Amazon. This kit is by Roy. Well, I hope I pronounced that right. It has 4 reviews, includes 92 pieces in gray, pink, gold, orange, and dusty pink colors. They do have a few choices over here if you click. They look pretty cute, so I hope that this kit will be good quality, and they do include a few pictures, as you can tell, and this kit right now costs $14.28. Let's scroll down and see what the description will tell us. In the description, they give you this full list of things that this kit includes in itself. So we are working with 10, 12, and 18-inch balloons. It includes a hand pump, balloon tying tool, garland strip, glue dots, ribbon, nylon string, 6 leaves, and instructions to this kit. Let's go unpack this and see ourselves what we have. This is what I had in my package. It seems like I got everything. Whatever they told us we will have is here. Let's go and blow these balloons up and construct the whole thing. To inflate my balloons, I am using my electric balloon pump from L'Oreal Paper and Balloon Company. Go check them out. They have a huge selection of things, party supplies, balloons, types and sizes. They have it all. You can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off at checkout. This is an affiliate code, and it's totally up to you if you want to use it or not. And this code is valid only for your first purchase. We are working with balloon strip today because this is a kit, and I will be blowing my balloons individually and tying them individually. So I am taking my balloon, inflating. Oh my word, you guys, look at this beautiful color. It's so pretty. As soon as I'm done blowing my balloon, I am pressing my balloon against the floor to give my balloon a more rounder shape, taking my tying tool and tying my balloon. You don't have to grab 2 balloons at the same time, 2 tails, and wrap it around. It's going to be a little bit harder. You can pull out your bottom tail of the colorful balloon and tie just that tail. So it'll be so much easier. I receive a lot of questions on how to inflate double stuffed balloons. If you have trouble inflating double stuffed balloons, with your fingers, pinch 2 balloons at the very top like this. Start inflating your balloon, and while inflating, pull on your balloons upwards. That way you will be stretching your balloons and air will get into your balloons easier. Super easy, and you don't have to stress about inflating your double stuffed balloons. Let me scoot you closer and show it to you again.
To construct my balloon garland, as you can see, this strip has bigger hole, little opening, and smaller hole. I am inserting my first balloon through a bigger hole, making sure that my knot is completely through, sliding through the opening into a smaller hole, and letting go. I will be inserting every balloon on one side of the strip. I won't be alternating sides because, in my opinion, I don't see a difference if you use one side or both sides. I will be leaving my gold and orange balloons aside and work with the rest of the balloons. And once in a while, just look at your garland and see if you need to skip a hole. If you see your balloons are starting to pop out of your strip, then that means just skip a hole.
Is on my backdrop. I really like what I see, you guys. It's looking very cute. I absolutely love all the colors that they used in this kit. I lost one balloon, one inner orange balloon popped on me. That's about it. I like the quality of these balloons, and I think $14 for this kit, it's totally worth it. So I quickly went into review section and I want to read some reviews. Not many reviews, I only found one. So this review said, missing pieces. I didn't get the glue dot sleeves or nylon string in my package. It was rather difficult to put together without these things, which is very strange for a kid to miss all the things. I don't know what happened there. Maybe it was genuine mistake or something. I have no idea, but that's the only review I found. And to finish everything off, I am using glue dots that are included in the kit. Use more than one glue dot per balloon. I usually end up using 2, 3, 4 glue dots per balloon because I want to be sure that my balloons will stay in my garland for a long time. So hopefully one roll of glue dots will be enough.
As I'm scrolling through all the pictures that they included in their listing, I noticed that this picture is definitely not this kit that I'm using right now. Maybe they took inspiration from this installation, I'm pretty sure, but so far, you guys, I like what I see.
I am adding these leaves that were included in the kit. I would have to use some glue dots. I do have some glue dots left, not a lot. I will add one glue dot on the leaf and glue it straight to my balloons. Is what I have for you guys today. Look at this beautiful finished product over here, you guys. I am loving the whole thing. I like the concept of this balloon garland. I love the colors that they used in this kit. I love the whole thing, but I like the quality of these balloons. I don't love them. These gold balloons, they are way too soft and they blow into weird shapes. So they could be better. Then these light pink balloons over there, they are not double stuffed, and these orange balloons right there, 5-inch ones, they are not double stuffed as well. I am not mad at that. I don't mind, actually. I do see how they work. Single stuffed balloons work with double stuffed balloons. These pink balloons, you guys, they stink. They stink so much. I had to hold my breath and then inflate these balloons. They are terrible. And believe me, I inflated a lot of balloons and I reviewed a lot of kits. These are one of the worst balloons that I've ever inflated smell-wise. So that's my 2 down points about this whole thing. Other than that, you guys, $14, a little bit over than $14. Totally worth it, you guys. Totally worth it. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will share some pictures at the end of this video, and I will link this kit in the description under the video. I'm gonna go get some rest because I don't feel good and I need some rest. So you guys, stay healthy, stay safe. See you soon. this is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will try to help you out to the best of my abilities. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos and interesting ideas. And I hope you'll have a wonderful day and I'll see you back very soon. Bye.